Akita is a muscular double-coated dog of ancient Japanese lineage, famous for their dignity, courage, and loyalty. In their native land, they are venerated and family protectors and symbols of good health, happiness, and long life. Akita are quiet, fastidious dog, wary of strangers, and often intolerant of other animals. Akitas will gladly share their silly, affectionate side with family and friends. They thrive on humans' companionship, the large independent thinking. Akita is hardwired for protecting those they love. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel, Lovers.Pk. Thanks, bye bye.